53 plus something is 80, right? 53 plus something is 80. We can do it like this. We break down 53 into 5 tens and 3 ones, right? There are 5 tens and there are 3 ones. 5 tens, that is 10 into 5 places, and 3 ones. And 80, there are 8 tens. That is 10 into 8 places. Now, using this method of addition, we will need to account for everything on both sides before we can get our answer. Here, we can account for 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also account for 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 tens unaccounted for. Here, we can account for 3. If we want to account for 10, we will add 7 to these 3. Now, we have 2 more tens here that are unaccounted for. To account for these 2 tens, we've got to add 2 tens here. What this means is that this is a sum total of 20 plus 7 is 27. So this means that 53 plus 27 is 80. If we are solving for this, 56 plus something is 79. The principle still remains the same. 5 tens here and 6 ones here. And here you have 7 tens and 9 ones. Let's see how we can account for everything. Here we can account for 5 tens. Here we can also account for 5 tens. That is equal. That is good. Here we have 6. Here we have 10. If we must account for this 10, add 4 here, right? Now that's not all. If you must account for this 10, you add 10 here. That's not all. If you must account for this 9, you add 9 here. This means that all of this, 4 plus 10 plus 9, is the number you're going to add to 56 to make 79. And like we've done before, 10 plus 4 plus 9. It can be quite easy to do 10 plus 4, but now we want, doing 10 4 plus 9 is where it gets difficult. To make this easy, we've got to make it 10. And to make it 10, we can borrow 1 from 4 to add to 9. And this 4 is going to become 3, and this 9 is going to become 10. So instead of 10 plus 4 plus 9, we're having 10 plus 3 plus 10. Aha, now it is very simple. 10 plus 3 plus 10 is quite easy. You add 10 plus 10, that gives you 20. So you're left with 20 plus 3. And when you add 20 plus 3, it becomes 23. So what this means is simple. It means that you're going to add 23 to 56 to get 79.